town center of Tarnow, Poland. I'm sure it's beautiful when it's not under construction. The rest of the town though, pretty nice. I walked in yesterday. It's been kind of raining all day and all night. So I'm also a little sick right now. Throat kind of hurts. So we are gonna just do the sore throat, freest walking tour of Tarnow, Poland. I was told in Rzeszow, when I told them I was thinking of going to Tarnow as a way to get from there to Krakow, that they're just like, why would you stop there? I was like, I don't know, it's a good halfway point. And it's kind of a cute little town, despite the square being under construction. It's also fairly cheap. Some sort of mausoleum. My hotel room was in an old building that dates back to about 1400, then got renovated by some super loaded guy in 2000 into a hotel and restaurant, which was very cheap. It cost me $30 for a double bed, and then also had another room attached to it with just a twin bed in there. And it also included breakfast, which I don't think it was supposed to, but they didn't charge me for it, even when I asked them, so I was okay with that. Pretty impressive church up here. Some woman on the train yesterday started talking to me in super broken English, showed me pictures of her daughter in London. Asked me if I was married. I said no, and she like freaked out. And then she asked me if I was Catholic, and I said nope, and she got real offended. Cool mural up there. And we got some statues over here we'll go check out. Pretty ominous statue of the Pope. Pretty unsettling grin. Also seems like everything is under construction in Tarnow right now. There's also construction outside of my hotel room. Quite the imposing bell tower over here. Also, the chain around this statue has spikes on it. Another square here that's not under construction. Luckily it's kind of a straight shot to the train station, so straight down this old school city road. This is also pretty sweet. I saw this yesterday. This train car right here is a coffee shop. Pretty sweet. Just chilling. Another completely massive and imposing Catholic church. And now we get to walk through the park. On the other side of the park is the train station. Not much to this town. It's kind of cute. Say it was, I don't know, worth spending a night in. Probably would be pretty nice if this town square wasn't completely torn up. These flowers here. If there's one thing about Poland is it kills the park game. So what would I rate Tarnow? Jeez, those bells. I'd probably rate it 12 out of 24 bells. It's cute, it's worth checking out. Not necessarily much to it. Not great, not terrible. 12 out of 24 bells.